So for this video, I'm going to show you how to insert word art into your document. I'm going to start out by just typing my name. There we go. Go to the Insert tab, highlight my name real quick, and go over to the text box over here, text dialog box, go to Word Art. It'll give you a little drop down thing. You can choose any of these. They all have different effects. I'm going to choose this one. Let's go ahead and make this nice and big. Make this font a little bigger. We'll go with that. Go back to the Format tab up here. Now you can change this to any colors you want. Going up here to text fill. Let's say I want the color purple, and then I want it to be outlined in black, which you can't really tell it's outlined, but you can also change the thickness of that outline. So we can do that. You can also click more colors and go in here, pick any color you want. We'll just go with this one. Change the brightness. Looks great. As well as, if you go to text effects, you can put a shadow on your text if you want. So you can see it back here. It's pretty cool. I guess it's only on my last name at the moment. Yeah, look the whole thing. Here we go. Now it's all there. Or, this is one of my favorite parts of word art. You can go down here to transform, and you can make it go woo, or pick any of these. I think they're awesome, especially if you're trying to make a flyer or anything like that. This can be super useful, and it's, for the most part, pretty simple. You can kind of play with it, get a feel for it, and that is word art.